Let me show you how to add text behind a person in CapCut. This is one of those effects that looks very hard for a beginner, but it is actually very simple to do. And in this video, I am going to show you step by step how you too can do this. Even if you have never done video editing before, you can use this effect for Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, and even normal videos. This works on videos where the person is moving, and it also works on videos where the person is standing still. I will be using my computer to do this, but the process is still the same on CapCut Mobile, and the best part is that it is completely free. So watch carefully, and do not skip any step, because if you skip, you may miss out on little details. So let's get started. Alright, first, open your CapCut app or software. Click on New Project, select your video, and then click Add. Click on Text. Click on Add Text. Double tap to edit and write any word. Let's say for example, text behind. You can change the font style here as well as the text color. I will use this yellow one. Position the text where you want it. I will place it slightly behind this person. Now, the text is in front of him, but we want it to go behind. To do that, select the video. Click on Duplicate. Or right-click and copy and paste it above. Or simply hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the video up to duplicate it. Move the duplicated video above the text. As you can see, the text is now hidden. If I hide this video layer, you can see the text showing again. Now select the top video. Click on Remove BG. If you are on CapCut Pro, you can click on Auto Removal and it will automatically remove the background for you. But because we are not subscribed to the Pro plan, we will go with the free method, which is removing the background manually. Don't worry, it is not that hard, as CapCut AI will still help you, similar to the rotoscope effect in After Effects, and now also available in Premiere Pro Beta. Click on the Custom option. You will see 4 options, Smart Brush and Smart Eraser, which are Pro, and also Brush and Eraser which are free. These are the ones we will be using. This slider here helps you adjust the brush size. As you slide to the right, it increases the size, and to the left, it decreases the size. Now click on Brush and adjust the size. Carefully paint over the person in the video. Don't rush, be diligent so you don't brush outside. Anything you paint is what will be removed from the background. If you make a mistake, click on Eraser and clean the part you painted by mistake. Make sure the person is completely painted. As you are doing this, you will see Applying Effect showing at the top. Once you are done, click Apply. Wait for it to process. This may take some time depending on the length of your video. Now you can see the text is behind the person. You can also animate the text. Click on Animation. Scroll down, and choose any style you like. I will go with this right slide animation because I want the text to slide in from the right hand side. When everything looks good, click on Export. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please kindly give it a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, as this encourages me to drop more content like this. If you want to see more CapCut tips on this channel, kindly click on the video showing on the screen now, and also check out the other related video. See you in the next video.